When it comes to managing money efficiently and simplifying daily transactions, having the right bank card is essential. The fidor bank card stands out as one of the best options for daily use due to its combination of flexibility, low fees, and digital-first approach. Fidor Bank is a German-based online bank known for its innovative banking solutions that cater to users who value convenience and transparency. The fidor bank card operates seamlessly with everyday spending, allowing users to make purchases both online and in-store without the usual restrictions of traditional banks. It supports contactless payments, making transactions fast and secure, ideal for coffee runs, groceries, or commuting costs. The card is also linked to a robust mobile app that gives real-time transaction notifications, balance updates, and instant account management, so users are always in control of their finances. One of the standout features is the minimal fee structure. There are no hidden charges for standard daily use, and international payments are processed at competitive exchange rates, making it a strong choice for frequent travelers or people dealing with international purchases. Fidor Bank also offers instant transfers between fidor accounts, which is perfect for sharing money with friends or family instantly. The security features are strong, with instant card locking through the app if the card is lost or stolen, along with advanced fraud monitoring. Users can also set spending limits and control online payment permissions, providing added peace of mind. For those who prefer a completely digital banking experience without compromising convenience, the fidor bank card delivers exceptional performance. Its user-friendly interface, low fees, and secure functionality make it a reliable option for managing day-to-day expenses. With the fidor bank card, daily spending becomes more efficient, organized, and secure, ensuring smooth financial management without unnecessary complications.